So how you guys did? You guys did all right? And one of the reasons I let you do your things also is because I don't want you guys to be forgetting. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. I want to fetch, so I'm gonna fetch a result, which is gonna be probably the users, right? So users like that, and I'm just gonna do my SQLi fetch array, and I'm just gonna get the result here. So that's gonna be users or the user like that, because we're not looping through this, like we're not, you know, we just want one result back. Okay. So if we can use MySQLi num rows, we pass in the result, and we say if you find more than one, then or equal than one, we want to return something. What is it that we want to return? Exactly, the user ID. Simple as that. So user ID. Okay. So let's test this. Let's return false here. Okay. Make sure that we return false, just in case this is not true. If we don't get the user ID. All right. So how can we test this? Well, instead of testing it in that post page, we can create another file here. I'm going to create a PHP file. I'm going to call this test, and I'm going to put this function right here. But before we do that, I need the header and the include for the database. Actually, I don't need a database, but I don't think I do. Just include that. Just put it right here. And if that function is going to return either, actually, as a matter of fact, we can just echo this out. Echo like that in a test. So I am already logged in, I think. Let's see. Yeah. So if I go to test.php, it says, can I start cache? The limit header is already being sent. This is because I got spaces right here. So make sure you got no spaces. There we go. You can see that the logged in user is 26. Okay. Don't believe me? We go to the 26 ID there. Okay, that's the logged in user. So as you can see, we are getting that, which is really awesome. Now, if we not logged in, okay, let's go back to our CMS, log out, and let's go again. PHP. We don't get nothing. Okay, that's because it's false. Okay, so you can put some type of condition. We're gonna use this later on. So that's it. We're done. See you in the next lecture, and where we're gonna be detecting and changing a lot of cool things in the link. See you then.